Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about how to automate your WhatsApp with the help of Callbell through multiple functionalities such as the chat module to automate the assignment of your customers' messages, broadcast for mass messaging, and the chatbot to automate conversations with personalized chat flows. Callbell's chat module is designed precisely to make managing WhatsApp and other messaging channels much more efficient and automated. You can activate automatic assignment from Robin from the Assignment Rules tab. This function evenly distributes incoming chats among available team members. Additionally, you have the option to exclude certain members from this assignment or adjust who will receive the chats according to their available or unavailable status. If a closed chat is open and the assigned agent is not available, Callbell can automatically reassign it to another available agent. So this ensures that no customer is left waiting. Additionally, you have other very interesting options for managing your chats like tags, sales funnels, and internal notes. Callbell's broadcast is a super useful tool for automating the sending of mass messages to your customers using WhatsApp. It is ideal for marketing campaigns, important updates, or notifications that need to reach several people at the same time. What makes it a functionality that allows you to send messages to a large list of contacts on WhatsApp in an automated and efficient way. Additionally, with the broadcast of Callbell, you can organize all mass campaigns and download the report of each one. This is ideal for keeping specific control over the progress of each marketing campaign. Callbell's chatbot is a powerful tool for automating responses and conversation flows on WhatsApp and other messaging channels. It is ideal for providing quick service, resolving frequently asked questions, and guiding customers in their inquiries or needs. It is a system that allows for creating automatic responses and conversational flows on WhatsApp and other integrated channels. The chatbot is responsible for automatically interacting with customers, reducing the workload of your human team while ensuring that each message is attended to. Additionally, when the chatbot cannot resolve a complex inquiry, it can automatically transfer the conversations to an available human agent. This ensures that there is always continuity in attention. Lastly, but not less importantly, at Callbell, besides automation, there are other very interesting tools that can help you manage your company's messaging more efficiently. You can analyze all the data from your conversations, clients, and agents from the statistics panel that provides you with specific and important information. You can also store all your customer information in the CRM module to later use this data to create segments and contact lists with specific characteristics. You can create sales funnels and integrate the tool with other programs through Zapier. As you can see, there is a world of infinite possibilities. If you want to take your company's attention to another level, I recommend trying Callbell. Don't forget to like this video and follow our channel. See you next time.